Yo, what's good, everybody? Vic here. Today is February 16th, Monday. Today is actually a bank holiday. So I know people are like, "Oh, why you trading? Why you trading?" I really don't think it's that. I really don't think it's that deep. Or I will say, I initially told myself I wasn't gonna trade, but I then told myself if market gave me a setup that I felt like was too good to pass up, then I'd take it. But if not, then I'm hands off. And I initially did think I would be hands off because I didn't think I would get another trade that was better than this one. This was the first initial trade that I was looking at. Ended up fading it because there was a big SMT at the time. So I didn't end up taking this one, but I ended up taking a 2 minute IFEG down to some lows. But I took it light sized, and as well as light sized, I also got a bad fill. So it chalked the RR so it kind of messed it up, but it is what it is. Like, so hold on, let me show y'all P&L. Super small win day. P&L card 1,188 on the day. 173 on the live account, and it was around like 300 per on the alpha evals. Yeah, so just the pardon me, basically just a winning day. Essentially a winning day is like 250, I think. So yeah, right around there. But yeah, let me break this down. So 8:30 coming into the day. I I don't really have a bias, but I do think we are bearish. Coming into market open, we just printed a 15-minute bearish gap, and this is what I thought initially was going to be the gap of the session, and it ends up being the gap of the session to watch out for. But I didn't take it because, as you're gonna see in a little bit, there is a big SMT, and it's like it being a half day, a bank holiday as well. I really don't want to take a trade like this, because it's like a SMT this big is not favorable for me at all. So, as you can see in a little bit, right? And I'm really not looking for longs of any sorts because we don't have any higher time frame sponsorship for longs. And if we did, we would have to come down, sweep these lows first. And I really didn't see market moving that much since today is a bank holiday and less volatility and things of that nature, right? So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for my short opportunity, right? Boom. So I'm waiting for this 15-minute gap that we have marked out to get hit, and it does right here. And what I wanted to see is just to flip that back down to the downside, right? And was it a 5 minute? Yeah, it was a 5 minute IFEG. And though some people would say you would take this 5 minute IFEG since it's the first presented, and I do understand that. But because there is a little gap between the start of the close of this one and the start of this one, I do like a quick break even here. So you can still try. I mean, most of the time this is a break even trade just because how close it is to the 5 minute gap, and usually market does like to respect it a little and bounce back to entry point. I did like the attempt, but because we did have this SMT with ES, let me show y'all. Because we did have this SMT with ES has yet to take out these lows, right? And NQ has already taken out these lows. That's a huge SMT, right? So I don't love it, and I don't take it. But if we did end up taking it, it would have been a clean, because that was the start of the candle then, and we never go back to the break even point. But I'm not mad at the fade, because if that was a losing trade, I'd be like, that's a beautiful fade, right? So listen, I can't just ignore it if it's a winning trade either. I'm not mad at this fade. It is what it is. I wasn't really expecting to take a trade regardless. But the one I ended up taking felt so obvious that it's like I'm gonna take a stab at it, right? So boom, market comes back up, taps into a 15-minute gap, right? So we're respecting this 15-minute gap. I see that. We're also tap into unfilled 5-minute gaps, right? We inverse these. I do see that, right? And we do end up inversing a 5-minute gap as well, right? Hold up, was it on this one? No, I'm bugging. I was thinking about that one. Okay, so we come back. Now we're in this 5-minute gap. Okay, yeah. Now we're in this 5-minute gap. And if you see what happens here, we respect this 5-minute gap. And if we go into the smaller time frame, we're inversing this 2-minute fair value gap. I don't know if that makes sense, or I might have to repeat that because I don't think I explained that too well. Okay, start from the top. We're in this 15-minute gap, right? In this bears 15-minute gap, you drop down to the time a lower time frame. We're respecting 5-minute gaps, as well as we're also in a 5-minute bear gap as well, right? Or I shouldn't have included this because this is the 15-minute gap. So 15-minute gap is right here. Yeah, 15. Okay, yeah, 15 minutes gap is right here. We're respecting that. 5-minute gap is right here. We're respecting that. Right into a 2-minute IFEG with such good LR. Like, look at like that's if that's not a pretty setup and such an obvious short to at least here I've ever seen, and given the speed, and I didn't even check. Is there? I'm trying to see this SMT. No, there's no SMT, but I feel like hold up, I'm on the right chart. I feel like this is such a free for what you can get. This is such a free short to at least be able to take risk off at this break even point since it's low hanging fruit like that. I feel like it's very, very obvious, and I do like the stab at it, right? But I did take it with less cons than I should have, or I was de-risking a little bit. I was less risk on because again today is a half day, and yeah. So stops here, entry here. I did get a bad feel, but I think was it a yeah targets was here. Pretty quick trade and we get instant rejection from that point. But yeah, to at least target here, I'm not mad at that break even right here. I tried to trail it aggressively and get what I could get, but Alexa, stop. Stop. Alexa. Bro, why is my alarm still going on? Oh, that's my other phone. There's no way. Turn on. Okay. Hey, Alexa, stop. And yeah, that's the trade for today. Pardon that. We're going to keep that in. No edits, baby. P&L, little winning day. Nothing really to show on the Zealous. Small day. Oh, it still counts as a winning day, I guess. Yeah, these alpha accounts are now at 2,500. Basically, that's how I'm looking at it. Yeah, this was TP. What else was I finna say? Yeah, we need 3,000. I don't like doing math no more, but we need 3,500 more to get paid. We need 3,500 more to get paid. Oh man, I'm just thinking. I can't wait for tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, let me yap for a little bit. This is gonna be like my little journal, man. Like, I love to trade. I love trading, bro. Like, these last like 10 months been the most fun thing I've ever done in my life. Like, I love this. Like, man, I'm so grateful. It's so funny to me because, like, bro, like, who would have thought? Nah, actually, I could have thought, like, I don't, bro, I hate that I started so late. Like, I'm 20 right now. I started when I was, yeah, I started when I was 19, technically, but my birthday was like in a week after I started. So I technically started at 20, but like, I've been in the space since like 2016, like, since a freshman in high school, but I never took this shit serious, bro. Like, and bro, without a doubt, and I say this and I mean it wholeheartedly, bro. If I would have started back then, bro, I would have been a millionaire right now. Like, I think, we not even gonna get into it, bro. It's got to be a separate video, but, bro, like I know, like, I'm bugging right now. What else I gotta say? Like, I just can't wait, bro. I just can't wait because I feel the only thing now is just time. Like, I just need time, and after time is had, like, I feel like I really do believe it's undeniable. It's just a matter of time. Like, that's all it is. Everything is just a matter of time. I really do believe that. Like, I just need time. Man, give me a little bit of time. Like, tomorrow, hopefully we get a bid. Hopefully we get a good bid. Hopefully PA is good. If all those things, bro, thank you, God. Like, I really thank you, God. That's all I got for today. Enough, yeah. Y'all have a blessed day. Why not y'all? Why not y'all? Why not us? We can get rich too, bro. Like, we can get rich. Like, we can. Oh man, like, we can get rich too, bro. Like, it's not like, you don't gotta be special to get rich, bro. And I'm finna prove that. I'm going to prove that by God's grace, by God's grace, by God's grace, by God's grace. Like, I'm making this for me. I want to be able to look back on this. I'm yapping right now, but I want to be able to look back on this and be like, wow, I said it. Like, I knew it. Like, you just get that undeniable feeling. Like, just gotta stay in process over profits, right? You just gotta do everything the right way, right? We know what it takes. Like, we know what it takes to get there. Now we just gotta stack days, stack days, stack days. One loss a day, one win a day. I don't know about break evens yet. Still haven't decided. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Why not y'all? Why not us? Vic out.